What I would bring to college is a reusable water bottle and a passion for your studies. You save so much money not having to buy water bottles every single day, and we're saving the planet while doing it. Everyone should bring a passion for their studies, because if you're not passionate about what you're doing, you're not going to be willing to put in the hard work to get your degree.
The two things that you should bring to college are a fan and an open mind. The residence halls can get really hot in the fall, so this is a great way to cool down in the nights. I think you should bring an open mind to college because you'll experience a lot of new things that you haven't before.
What I would recommend bringing to campus is a stuffed animal and time management. I like having a stuffed animal because when I get stressed, it's nice to cuddle with. Time management is really important for college, getting everything done on time.
I have shower shoes and a global mindset. You'll most likely be using communal bathrooms. Everyone's encouraged to bring flip-flops. I personally like to travel a lot. Having a global mindset is important because it leaves you open to all of that.